What we do here is go back.
Hey, you're interested in growing your channel, huh? Alright, don't worry, man. Creative Markets got you. Listen, I have the best app you can download and install. It's not even an app. It's just a program. It's a browser. You can use it on your browser or you can use it on your phone. But listen, this app is crazy. I'm gonna show you. The app is called Tubebuddy. Personally, this video is not sponsored by Tubebuddy, but I just really think it's a good way for you to grow your channel. Now you might be wondering, why is Tubebuddy the best app you can use to grow your channel? Now listen, I'm gonna get into that. But before we get into the video, all I want you to do is drop a like and subscribe. Alright, looks like you subscribed to my channel. Alright, let's get started with the video. Now here are all the features for Tubebuddy. Now look, all the features are good enough, but the one most important feature that I noticed in Tubebuddy, that's the one that's actually going to help you grow your channel exponentially, is the keyword research feature. For example, you want to create a video on the tag explore section of Tubebuddy, right? And it wants to be how to cook rice. So for example, you want to teach your subscribers how to cook rice. Your cooking channel, that's what you want to do, right? So what you need to do is put this in. It's going to show you low competition words that you can use on your title and in your tags in your description to help you be on top of everybody else on search, so you can get the most subscribers, the most everything. So basically, it's going to help you be the one. It's going to help you be a first pick for most people that search up this topic. Now, there's tons of videos on YouTube that shows you how to use Tubebuddy on both PC and Android and iPhone. Now look, on my channel, I would do it, but I don't know if you'll want that. I personally would love to do it, but all you just have to do if you want to do it is just say do it in the section. Comment down below saying do it, and then I will really make a video on showing you how to go in depth on how to use Tubebuddy to actually rank well in search and get your videos really out there so you could get them subscribers. Hopefully this video gave you some value. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm going to be posting bangers all 2021 and beyond. My name is Creative Markets, and I'm out.